What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. In today's video, we are going to be installing a cold air intake on my boy's Camry. He has a 2018 Toyota Camry SE, which, as you guys know, is basically the same car as what I have, a 2022 Toyota Camry SE. I got exhaust, headers, intake, tune, all that stuff. Speaking of the tune, we got a bunch of crazy stuff coming. We're about to go fully catless on this thing. About to slap another turbo tune on this thing. If you guys want to stay tuned for that, subscribe to the channel right now. You know, I'm hoping to hit 1K before the year ends, but if not, it's all good. Subscribe, hit the post notifications, and stay tuned for what we have coming next. But basically, today's video is going to be a little vlog. We're going to install his intake, show you guys how it sounds. You know, all he has right now is an exhaust, so we're going to go and see what the big difference is with the intake, which you guys will hear. We got some crazy sound clips for you guys. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe if you are new to the channel. Like the video and comment what video you guys want to see us do next. And if you own an 8th gen Camry, hit up KBTuning _ on Instagram. We just, last video, I said we were about to hit 20K. We're literally over 30K. We're about to hit 40K. So go follow us on there. DM us with any parts you want. Even if you don't own an 8th gen Camry, if you want something, we got plate covers, we got steering wheels, shift knobs, whatever you need, just hit us up and we'll check with our supplier if we got it. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what you guys want to see us do next.
This right here is what came from AEM. They sent us some license plate frames, whatever we need. This is what the old intake on the Camry looks like. We got to unplug this right here. It's all held on by clips, but we're going to show you guys the full process, how to take it off, and then how to put the new one on. Take this off like this. Take that off. Then you're going to pull these clips off right down there. Here. Pull this bad boy off. And unplug this little thing right here, and then also this one right here. This is what it looks like right now. Turbo. Bottom piece is held on by these clips right here. One, boom, boom, boom. The intake is pretty simple.
If you guys do have any questions or concerns about how to install some stuff on the Camry, if you have the same car, then hit me up on Instagram at kyleafzali or comment down below in this video. I'm more than happy to help you guys. But if you guys do own a 2018 to 2024 Toyota Camry, hit up KBTuning _ on Instagram. We got the lowest price for the best quality parts for the Camry, from con bumpers, ambient lighting, body kits, steering wheels, shift knobs, tail lights, headlights, RGBs, whatever you guys need. Don't get scammed by these Toyota Camry parts companies, and hit us up KBTuning _ on Instagram. We just started Instagram, and yeah, we're literally about to hit 40,000 followers, which is crazy. Yeah, comment down below what you guys think, and hit them up if you guys want any, you know,
Alright, this is what it looks like. There's just a cover to put on top of here, but we're going to wait. We're going to turn it on, make sure everything's good. Then we're going to put that cover on and show you guys. But this is what it should look like. Hopefully we turn it on and this guy doesn't have a check engine light. Here's the first startup. Yo! Let's show you guys some revs with the exhaust. Rev it a little bit. Let's hear a couple revs. Shit should pop. the video. Now, for those of you that watched my last 2 videos, this is gonna be a pretty old video. I just forgot that we made a video on installing my boy's cold air intake on his car. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What do you guys think of the car? Does the car sound better? Do you guys like this intake? If you guys want to purchase it, you can hit up KBTuning _ on Instagram, which is right here. We sell plate covers, steering wheels, and a whole bunch of HN Camry parts. There's a whole bunch of stuff we do: steering wheels, ambient lighting, plate covers, comm bumpers, side skirts, you know, front lips, diffusers, trunk spoilers. If you guys want carbon fiber parts like trunks or hoods, we got everything. Just hit us up, KBTuning _ on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and ask, or DM me on Instagram. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. But yeah, let me in the comments down below and comment a video you guys want to see me do next. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.